Our planet, a tapestry of life woven over millennia, faces a new threat. An invasion unlike any other, silent and insidious, yet with the potential to unravel the delicate balance of nature. This is not a Hollywood blockbuster, no, this is a real and present danger, the invasion of the alien species. But these invaders don't arrive on spaceships, they arrive on ships of commerce, clinging to cargo or nestled in the ballast. They arrive with travelers, tucked away in luggage or clinging to clothing, unaware of the ecological havoc they are about to unleash. These invaders are invasive species, plants and animals transported by human activity to environments where they don't belong. This is the story of their silent conquest, a tale of ecological disruption, of native species driven to the brink, and of the ongoing battle to reclaim our wilderness from these alien invaders. Imagine the Australian outback, a land of harsh beauty, of rugged landscapes painted in hues of ochre and gold. Here, beneath the scorching sun, a drama of epic proportions is unfolding, a story of an invasion gone wrong. Our protagonist, or should I say antagonist, is the cane toad, Rhinella marina, a creature as remarkable as it is destructive. Introduced to Australia in 1935, these toads, native to South America, were meant to be a solution, a biological control for the cane beetle plaguing Queensland's sugarcane crops. But what began as a seemingly innocuous solution quickly spiraled into an ecological nightmare. The cane toad, you see, possessed an arsenal of evolutionary advantages that made it a formidable invader in this new land. Its voracious appetite, its rapid reproduction rate, and most importantly, its toxic skin proved to be a deadly combination. Native predators, unsuspecting of the danger, would attempt to consume these alien invaders, only to be met with a fatal dose of poison. Goannas, quolls, even crocodiles fell victim to the toad's toxic defense mechanism. The very creatures meant to keep the ecosystem in check were being decimated. The cane toad's impact, however, extended far beyond its toxic skin. These amphibians, with their indiscriminate appetites, began to outcompete native insectivores, depriving them of their food sources. Small mammals, birds, even reptiles found themselves struggling to survive in a landscape increasingly dominated by the cane toad. And so, the cane toad's march continues, an unstoppable tide of toxic invaders spreading across the Australian landscape. Their invasion serves as a stark reminder of the unintended consequences of human interference in the delicate balance of nature. The Australian government, along with conservation organizations, are engaged in a constant battle to control the spread of this invasive species. From trapping and removing toads to researching biological control methods, the fight to mitigate the damage continues. But the cane toad's legacy serves as a stark warning, a cautionary tale of the devastating impact invasive species can have on fragile ecosystems. It is a reminder that in the interconnected web of life, even the smallest of creatures can unleash chaos when introduced into an environment where they don't belong. The Australian landscape, forever altered by the arrival of the cane toad, stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature and the importance of protecting its delicate balance. For in the face of such relentless invaders, it is our responsibility to learn from past mistakes and strive to prevent future ecological disasters. Our journey takes us now to the turquoise waters of the Caribbean, a paradise of coral reefs teeming with life. But even in this aquatic Eden, a silent invasion is underway, a threat that could shatter the delicate harmony of this underwater world. The invader in this case is a creature of striking beauty, a fish adorned with an array of venomous spines, the lionfish. Native to the Indo-Pacific region, the lionfish, with its striking appearance and graceful movements, was a prized inhabitant of home aquariums. But what makes the lionfish a captivating sight in an aquarium makes it a formidable predator in the wild. Released into the Atlantic, likely through the aquarium trade, the lionfish found itself in an environment with no natural predators, an all-you-can-eat buffet of unsuspecting prey. And feast it did. With a voracious appetite and a remarkable ability to consume prey larger than its own mouth, the lionfish began to decimate native fish populations. Small reef fish, crustaceans, even juvenile fish of commercially important species fell victim to the lionfish's insatiable hunger. The lionfish's impact, however, extends far beyond its predatory prowess. As it outcompetes native species for food and resources, it disrupts the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. Coral reefs, already under threat from climate change and pollution, face a new enemy in the form of the lionfish. The invasion of the lionfish is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our oceans. What begins as a local problem, the release of a few aquarium fish, can quickly escalate into a global crisis. The fight against the lionfish invasion is a multifaceted one. Divers and fishermen are encouraged to remove lionfish whenever possible, and in some areas, lionfish derbies and tournaments are held to help control their numbers. But the key to winning this war lies in education and awareness. By understanding the dangers posed by invasive species and by promoting responsible aquarium practices, we can prevent future invasions and protect the biodiversity of our oceans. The lionfish, a beautiful invader with a devastating impact, serves as a symbol of the challenges we face in a globalized world. It is a reminder that the consequences of our actions, however small they may seem, can have far-reaching and unintended consequences for the natural world. Our final destination takes us to the southeastern United States, to the Florida Everglades, a vast and intricate wetland ecosystem. Here, beneath the swaying fronds of sawgrass and amidst the tangled roots of mangrove forests, another alien invasion is playing out, one with potentially catastrophic consequences. The invader in this case is a creature of stealth and cunning, a constrictor of immense size and power, the Burmese python. Native to Southeast Asia, these pythons, popular in the exotic pet trade, found their way into the Everglades, likely released by irresponsible owners. In the warm, humid climate of the Everglades, the Burmese python thrived. With no natural predators to keep their numbers in check, they began to breed and spread, their populations exploding at an alarming rate. These apex predators, with their ability to consume prey much larger than their own heads, posed a direct threat to the Everglades' native wildlife. Birds, mammals, even alligators, the apex predator of this ecosystem, fell victim to the python's suffocating embrace. The impact of the Burmese python invasion has been devastating. Populations of native mammals, like rabbits, raccoons, and even bobcats, have plummeted in areas where pythons are prevalent. Wading bird populations, once a common sight in the Everglades, have also declined dramatically. The Burmese python's impact, however, extends far beyond its predatory prowess. As it disrupts the delicate balance of the food web, it triggers a cascade of ecological consequences that reverberate throughout the entire ecosystem. The fight against the Burmese python invasion is a challenging one. The Everglades, with its vast and inaccessible areas, make it difficult to track and remove these elusive predators. Trapping, hunting, and even using scent-trained dogs are just some of the methods being employed to control their numbers. But the key to winning this war lies in preventing future introductions. Stricter regulations on the exotic pet trade, coupled with public education campaigns, are crucial in stopping the flow of these invasive predators into the Everglades. The Burmese python invasion serves as a stark reminder of the importance of responsible pet ownership. Releasing exotic pets into the wild is not only cruel to the animal, but can have devastating consequences for entire ecosystems. The Everglades, a national treasure under siege, stands as a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. It is a reminder that the choices we make as individuals and as a society have the power to shape the fate of our planet's biodiversity. The stories we've explored are just a glimpse into the global war being waged against invasive species. From the rainforests to the deserts, from the mountains to the oceans, these alien invaders threaten the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. But there is hope. By raising awareness, by supporting conservation efforts, and by making responsible choices in our own lives, we can all play a part in combating this silent invasion. We must become stewards of our planet, vigilant guardians against the threats posed by invasive species. The war against these alien invaders is far from over, but it is a war we cannot afford to lose. The future of our planet's biodiversity, and indeed our own survival, depends on the outcome of this silent struggle.